Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about anatomical planes. We will start our topic with introduction. Anatomical planes are imaginary flat surfaces that divide the body into sections and help to describe location, movements and orientation of body structures in medical and anatomical studies. They are essential in medical imaging, surgery and physical training. Now let's talk about what are the types of anatomical planes. The types of anatomical planes are sagittal plane, coronal plane that is also called as frontal plane, transverse plane that is also called as horizontal plane and oblique plane. First we will talk about sagittal plane. Sagittal plane can be defined as the plane that divides the body into left and right halves is called as sagittal plane. Its types include mid-sagittal plane that passes exactly through the midline creating equal left and right halves, while the other type of sagittal plane is parasagittal plane that does not pass through the midline and thus create unequal left and right halves. Now let's talk about the examples of sagittal plane. A forward-looking exercise occurs along the sagittal plane. An MRI scan often takes sagittal images to examine the brain and spinal cord. Now let's talk about the coronal plane. There you can see the purple plane here is the coronal plane, and we can define coronal plane as the plane that divides the body into front and back section is called as coronal plane, or the plane that divides the body into anterior and posterior section is called as coronal plane. Its examples include a jumping jack motion that occur along the coronal plane, and X-ray imaging of the chest often uses coronal views. Now let's talk about the transverse plane. That the green plane is the transverse plane and it divides the body into upper and lower section, or the plane that divides the body into superior and inferior section is called as transverse plane. Its examples include twisting the torso during a golf swing moves through the transverse plane, and CT scan frequently use transverse plane to slice to view the internal organs. Now let's talk about the oblique plane. That is a diagonal cut that does not align with the sagittal plane, coronal plane or transverse plane. Its examples include certain surgical approaches use oblique cuts for better access, and dynamic sports movements such as baseball pitch often occur along the oblique planes. Now let's talk about the conclusion of our lecture video. Anatomical planes are crucial for medical imaging, movement analysis, and understanding the human body structure. By studying them, medical professionals and fitness experts can better diagnose, treat, and train individuals effectively. And this was all about anatomical planes. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.